ମତେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର। Wait for me. Wait for me. ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖନ୍ତୁ। Keep in touch. Keep in touch. ମୋର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। I don't need. I don't need. ତାହା କର ନାହିଁ। Don't do it. Don't do it. ଅଧିକ କୁହ ନାହିଁ। Don't speak over. Don't speak over. ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କୁହ। ଏଇଟା କଣ ହବ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ମତେ ରହିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me stay. Let me stay. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କର। Do it now. Do it now. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି। I am very busy today. I am very busy today. ମୋର ମନେ ନାହିଁ। I don't remember. I don't remember. ଯେ କୌଣସି ମୂଲ୍ୟରେ। At any cost. At any cost. ମୋର ମନେ ଅଛି। I remember that. I remember that. ଦୟାକରି ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର। Please try to understand. Please try to understand. ସେ ବାହାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। He is outside. He is outside. ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି। ଏଇଟା କଣ ହବ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଏହାକୁ ଶୀଘ୍ର କର। Do it fast. Do it fast. ଏଠାରେ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି। Nobody is here. Nobody is here. ଯାଅ ଏବଂ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କର। Go and study. Go and study. ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ଦେଖା ହେବା। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ। Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. ମତେ କହିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me speak. Let me speak. ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? What should I do? What should I do? କଣ ଚାଲିଛି? What's going on? What's going on? ମୂଲ୍ୟ କଣ? What is the price? What is the price? ଦିନଟି ଭଲରେ କଟିବ। Have a nice day. Have a nice day. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅସ୍ୱୀକାର କର ନାହିଁ। Don't deny now. Don't deny now. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅର୍ଥ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। Now means now. Now means now.